Hi, this is a new design of mine, a prime cylinder shield which I had fabricated. I designed this to be adapted into a ordinary mortise rim cylinder for any deadlocks or mortise lock cylinder which using a rim cylinder. This unit is two parts, the male and the female, and whereas the female, it has a cylinder inside. This is two layers separable and being retained by the screw. This screw here will be improved later on when on the final stage of fabrication. This is just a prototype, so it has a rough design. The same with these 4 screws around here. This will be later on disappear because this will be a solid stainless steel, and it has a hole adaptable to a medical cam lock. And this 2 pin here, this is the alignment of this female adapter here, so that once the two pin goes inside, then that will be the that will be the two part coupled perfectly. Okay, and also the top has a mark on it, so that you will know the correct position of the 2 pins when you insert it. Okay, I will show you the application. Okay, so I will change this rims, ordinary rim cylinder, and I will put this modified cylinder which I had built. I did not tighten the retaining screw so that it will be easy for me to replace it right now. Then when I install this, then that's the time I will this kind of unit is still under on its prime time, but it will be on its final stage now. Okay, so that's it now. We have to tighten the screw, the retaining screw. Nowadays, lock bumping and lock picking is very rampant now. So, in order to enhance the rim cylinder, I had reinforced it with this modified one I had made. In which case, when I am going away of the going out, then I will install this in here. Oh, sorry, the alignment is not okay. There we go. So that's it. When I leave the house, I'm going out, so I will install this, and it has a double feature. In order to access the ordinary rim cylinder, then you have first to remove this male plug here, and then you can use the key and unlock your door. This is a good feature, as I realized, because you have a double feature on your lock when you leave the house. So any burglars will have a hard time picking or bumping this first one and then the second one. So later on, this will be covered with a stainless steel plate here, protruding from the side here to prevent it from prying in a screwdriver. So that will be quite secured, and it will be a good design, I hope. Okay folks, thanks for watching and good day.